So once again, welcome back to my channel. So today, what we will learn? We will learn how to make a professional app from single, how to make a problem to a solution app. So here are the problems. This is my tool. You can search on Google, or I will provide the link in description. 10-point engine where you can find all types of problems, like means every type of problem you can get: finance and money, again what, health and wellness, many more, again business and productivity, and technology. Means every type of problems is available from all the platforms. Here daily life problem also available. The problems are available, just click on them. Like what are the daily problems? You can see communication and this freelancer problem, service gap also. Why do restaurants still have long printed menus? So you can create an app on it. So today we'll take any one problem and we will make a app. So I will go with business and productivity. So here 10 problems are available. So see, rating also given. So here is what is the problem. See, the service I get is so hit or miss at my local places. Something the what wait staff is fantastic, and other time they seems overwhelmed and forgot about my order. So we will create a AI driven feedback tool for restaurant which analyze real time customer feedback during dining experiences to help staff respond quickly and review or improve service level instantly. So how you will proceed? So just copy this solution. Copy this solution, Control C. Then move to ChatGPT. So ChatGPT, I move to Chat. I have already created a GPT. Means master prompt GPT I have already created. So see, here is my master prompt where loading little bit, taking little bit time. Just wait for uh, better result. You should wait some time. It can. Here is my master prompt GPT. I will click here and see, this is my master prompt RTC ROS. Everything is provided in the description. Go and check it out. Here I will paste that solution, that copied solution, and I will use to tell that write a detailed prompt on this topic to create an app on base 44 according to above master prompt. Pasted. Control Shift, sorry, Alt Shift Z. Automatically paste. Sorry, yeah. Once again I have to say I am thinking to create a master prompt on this provided solution according to RTC ROS above master prompt, so that I can create an app on base 44. What is happening now? I am thinking I'll see that to create my Google Flow is not working. I'm thinking so I should write manually. Let me write create a master prompt on it to create a app using base 44. A simple prompt you have to write. You will click here. See, click here. So it will provide you a master prompt, after which you will copy and is coming. Okay. So here are many different types of prompts are available. Means you can easily AI ad machines where you can use a single prompt and create an ad. Here also voice agent prompt is available. So go and check it out. This website I will provide in the description. So let me check. Yes, this but the process is going on. See, it totally provided me the real-time feedback. Just what happening. Just copy this prompt. After copying this, move to base 44. Then just you have to paste here, Control V. After pasting it, just the process will go. This app is very beautiful. Means it will create an app like this. You will think like anything. You can build anything. This one also, this pen point engine I created from this base 44. See how beautiful created. This one also I have created from base 44. Just you know how you should know how to prompt. Okay, it is building. First it will plan. See, it already building what instant dine AI for like dashboards. It will provide me dashboard, AI analysis, issue tracking, and analytics. Everything it will provide in the app. Just from single prompt. Are you seeing only single prompt you can create? So where I was, see, it was going on. So just here, different types of means prompts are available through which you can create a value-based product like SaaS. See, this one also a SaaS app where you can create a software, a service. Here also you can create a website with a single prompt using base 44. Just go and check it out here. This one is a side income starter. This is very important one. I have means reduced the prices because I thought that we should help or I should help everybody. So this income starter contain everything. Means from business idea to execution. From everything is available. Go and check it out. So let's check our base 44 is working. Yes, it is working. It will take little bit time because I have provided a detailed prompt. No, to analyze it, it will perform step by step. It will make plan. Then it will procedure. So that's why it will take little time. So be connected with me. And if you are liking this video, so like the video and don't forget to subscribe. Such type of content will come every day and till this channel is available. So be continue with this channel. Different types of money making ideas also available. So let's check some other type of problems what available. So see this was where let's check in finance and money. What are the problem mostly people fall face in finance and problem. So here I see they are normally this first problem is what it was shocked to get a bill. Sometimes there are hidden fees are available and I can't even see what I am being charged for. So that's why you can create an app through which the customer can itemize their bill before finalizing it, showing all fees and taxes in plain languages so that they can exactly what they are paying. Then let's check some other problems like many problems are there. You go through this link and check it out. Means every type of problem. See, Twitter problem. In Twitter, what are the most people asking about finance and paper? See, this is very important. Finding remote work that pay well and is reputable. It's like searching for a needle in a hay. This problem is very much important and very much essential. Because lots of people are finding job which pay well as well as reputed. So what you can do? We can build a marketplace which will connect a vetted remote job seeker with high quality verified companies offering competitive salary. See, simple business idea. Just create an app, copy the solution, go to ChatGPT, ask create a app on this. Will give you prompt, go to base 44. Let me check. It is preparing, it is writing everything. So some issue is C. It also fixes the issue also. What I will tell, how beautiful this app is. You are seeing no? So this base 44 link also I will provide in the description. Go and check it out. It already wrote created 6 records. So let me check. The instant AI Dynamic is now live. See, it created everything. APIs, chats, how beautiful it is created. Let me check it. Also, this solution of this tool link also I will provide in the description. So don't forget to check the description. See how value I am giving you. So don't forget to subscribe. Okay. Let me check loading the app. Some seed data is loaded so the dashboard feels alive immediately. Okay. Oh, beautifully created. Instant dine dashboard. Everything working. I'm thinking. Let me check. Issue, analytics, settings. So QR code also available. Sandbox QR code. Let me check dashboard what it provided. Satisfaction 70% was satisfied. Total feedback is added. Open issue are 2 and resolve 1. So recent issue table 3. Oh, what it given emerging pasta and very attentive. So you can customize it also. So table 7, what it provided? Satisfaction means satisfied given question. So total food, this is our food. Average. So total health and discount. How beautiful dashboard create a feedback. What a feedback given? Can I stimulate feedbacks? I can also table number. Let me check for 2. Okay. Tell me answer. Get right. Very amazing experience. Experience. Submit feedback. Submit feedback. So in we saw that the feedback is not working, so we have to tell this when feedback came. So, so issues are there, issues are there. So please verify the problem and solve it. It will automatically verify what are the problem available in this app, and it will solve it. How easy it is. Let's see how easy it is. Just I am a no code miss. I am a non-technical non-technician. I don't know how to code, but I know how to prompt. That's why prompt engineering is most demanding skill. If you are wanting to learn more about prompt engineering or how to write a prompt, then you can comment in this video prompt engineering course. I will provide you. Okay. So see the issue is clear that the user was clicking submit repeatedly, but see how I not told it that there is a problem in submitting, but he analyzes that it's a problem in the submitting. So how beautiful it is. So surely go and use this best protocol. The inline red error messages, so it everything doing. Stimulate, let's check whether it updated, what missing or submitting. Check average, let's submit. 33 in it, write something, and now it is analyzing and it will submit the my data. Okay, my table how it will be creating. Now everything is working. Issue, some issues available. Yes, I told issue, high issue table. So the staff will see, array table 13 have issue, let's go to there and solve their problem. So you can integrate this app in the restaurant and tell them, so that you can easily make lots of money. Analytics also you can use. So in 14 days, what type of the positive wait 3, negative wait 3. So wait time is more, so we can reduce wait time so that my sales will more. Food quality, so we should improve for food quality so that customer will come more. Service, our service is also nearly 1.5 to 2. So we can increase our service facilities. Cleanness, we should focus more clean so that staff, see our staff wears very less, so we should make more staff. We should recruit more staff so that every problem can easily solve. Here everything available, food, average, poor. At last setting what it provided, the restaurant name given and your QR code given. The subscription is starter from professional, and so this is your total app you can create with single prompt. How beautifully I created. So if you will publish it, it will publish and will publish it. Just publish it, and I will copy this link and I will send to you. So for today this much. We'll meet on next video. For that, bye.